Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today we have a very nice enameled and engine turned RONSON Princess automatic petrol lighter. Shows scuffs, scrapes, wear, maybe scratches are a better word than scrapes. This lighter is in very good condition. Per usual, the flint tube was blocked. Seems like every time I turn around I've got a RONSON Princess that needs the flint tube cleared out. But nothing to that. And there are instructional videos here on the channel that will help you do that if you have the need. As I said, it does have scuffs, scratches, wear, maybe some dings. Says RONSON Princess Trademark, Newark, New Jersey. It's got your patent information there. Very nice lighter. I don't really see any paint loss. This is not a lighter that I would put in my pocket to carry around, as you're going to damage the paint. So it might be fine to use as a lighter in your house or sitting on a table, even though it's not technically a table lighter. I just wouldn't carry it. You know, if it had a scratch or two more, if it was through the paint, if it had some paint loss, but the fact that the paint seems to be all there. Very nice lighter to display, and very nice lighter to still be able to find around. If you enjoy watching videos about old petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video that you're watching. Tell your friends about the channel. Hit the share button. Send that link off in a text, email, post it on social media. However it is that you communicate with folks nowadays, and let them get a look at it for themselves. You can leave any comments or questions below the video. Looks like a little overpaint there. We would also appreciate it if you would follow and like us across all the social media platforms: Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and of course eBay. That'll be Dependable Flame or dependableflame.com. Was able just to pull the wick up and cleaned up the file wheel and the entire mechanism, and it works pretty well. On top of being an attractive lighter, it functions very well. There is no engraving on the monogram spot. And while there are scratches, scuffs, dings to the plating, I don't see any plating loss. Screws are still in relatively good condition. I'm not sure what took me so long to get to this lighter, other than the fact that I've had a lot of RONSON princesses here lately, and I like to kind of mix up the videos that I'm doing. So that's my only excuse for why it's taken so long to get this one out. This is probably about the second nicest one to that RONSON standard that has the tortoise brown enameled bars along the front with engine turning. Princess would tell me that it was maybe indicated to be a ladies lighter, but I don't think you're gonna lose your man card if you were to carry a lighter like this today. Maybe don't show them the name on the bottom where it says Princess. Or maybe just be comfortable with who you are. Very cool old lighter in very good working condition. Until next time.